Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use dual connection for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite. And right here we have a first device what connected with the headphones and also have an application, and you need to install the application to use dual connection. And second, have an application and also not connected with the headphones. Open the application on your first device, so it calls SOUNDPEATS, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I have, this one. And make sure that you have a battery percentages right here. It means that your headphones is connected, because right now, as you can see, I have this trouble. If you have the same, just you need to reopen this application, remove it from the cache and open it again. Sometimes this application have this problem. Now, did we have it? Yeah, here we go. Next, you click at the equalizer icon at the left bottom, and right here at the last line we have dual device connection. So that's actually why we need the application, because we need to enable it. Then keep enabled. It should reconnect to your phone. Now we enable it. Now we can check it. Yeah, here we go. And then we need to pair it with a second device. So open settings on your second device, go to connected devices or Bluetooth, and if you have Android, click pair new device. After that, put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the lid. Just right here on the front side we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light starts flashing. Here we go. And now we can see it at the device list. Right here we have it. Tap on it and then click pair. We just connected with the second device, and we need to go to the settings on our first device, Bluetooth, and tap on it here. And as you can see right here, we have connection with both of these phones. That's it. If you want to remove it, just remove it from your phone and pair it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.